In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glitch effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and locate the text or element you want to edit. This could be a title, a subtitle, or even a graphic element, depending on the look you're going for. Before making any changes, take a quick moment to think about where a glitch effect will work best. This style is usually most effective when you want something bold, modern, or digital looking, so it helps to apply it to an element that you want to stand out. Once you've selected the text or element, move to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva gives you access to a variety of styling options that can instantly change the appearance of your design. If you're working with text, the effect will influence the way the lettering appears. If you're using a supported visual element, you'll see editing options that help you create a more dynamic look. From the available effects, choose Glitch. As soon as you click it, Canva will apply the effect to your selected item, and you'll immediately see the design start to take on that distorted, tech-inspired style. This is a great effect for gaming visuals, futuristic posters, music content, or any design where you want a bit of edgy motion and energy even in a static layout. After applying the effect, adjust the color, direction, and offset settings to control how strong the glitch looks. The color setting changes the visual tone of the effect, while direction helps determine how the distortion shifts across the element. Offset usually controls the separation and intensity, so increasing it can create a more dramatic result, while lowering it can keep things subtle and clean. Take your time here, because small adjustments can make a big difference in the final look. As you fine-tune these settings, preview your design and make sure the effect complements your overall style. The goal is to enhance your design, not overpower it. If the glitch effect feels too strong, reduce the settings until it blends more naturally with the rest of the layout. If your design is meant to be bold and attention-grabbing, you can push it a little further. That's it. With just a few quick edits, you can give your Canva design a polished glitch effect that adds personality and visual impact.